Hello everyone, you are learning how to become a successful data scientist with Dr. Sadek. So we have discussed various tools and example to be successful as a data scientist. I have divided data science skills into three main categories. Let me briefly discuss that. General problem solving skills, core capabilities and tool skills, and communication, visualization and storytelling skills. I have briefly described all these skills in a previous lecture. If you are new here, I will highly recommend to watch that lecture, and the links are given in the description below. In this lecture, we will try to briefly explain what general problem solving skills are required to become a successful data scientist.
As in the first video of the playlist, I have discussed three categories of skills to become a successful data scientist. So now let's go one by one. The first one is general problem solving skills. I will not go into details in this particular section, and we will have a very high level of discussion here. Please subscribe the channel and stay with us, because continuously we are working on new projects in data science and you will find a lot of fun here. For that, you need to have a curious and analytical mindset. Curious and analytical mindset are only possible with good background knowledge. So here my recommendation is studying the area where you want to be a successful data scientist. For example, if your goal is to be a successful data scientist in any business relevant areas, then explore the flow of the business. For that, you will definitely need to explore the data collection methodologies, previous records, previous decision, and finally the whole data. Later on, I will add how you will explore the data to achieve some statistic for your machine learning model. If I start introducing statistical skills here, then it will definitely confuse the beginners in data science. So I will explore it on a specific stage. In this section, the data scientist will meet with the data collection team and visit different sections of the business area or location. Sometimes you will need to visit the location. For example, if we talk about supermarket, then location, space, item prices, and the displays of the item prices as well as the displays of the promotion plays a key role. Once the data scientists explore all these areas and factors, then it will definitely enhance his or her analytical skills and curious mindset. Many questions will come into his or her mind, and he or she will analyze relevant data. It will also help in effective data modeling phase while giving a good feature set. I will explain this claim with a simple example. Let's talk about the three types of onion: red, white, and yellow in the supermarket. If you visit supermarket, then it will more visible to you as compared to watching the data. You can explore which type of onions has higher sale ratio as compared to the other onion types. You can also explore their expiry date. Which onion type has the longest expiry? Once you get all this information, then you can directly jump into the onion and vegetable section in the data, because you already know their importance. So exploring physical side of the business is also important and can make you a successful data scientist. As we talk about displays of promotions, so once you visit the location, then you can have a better idea of exploring promotions on the basis of location of promotion in supermarket, promotion types, targeted population, and many more. For example, if you select the wrong option for promotion types, targeted population, and location, then definitely they will negatively affect your goals of being data scientist. Once you have the background knowledge, then it will help your analytical and curious mindset to understand the pain of the client. So definitely it will give you the basic understanding of the broadly business problem, which is very important. Once you identify the business problem broadly, then a right question answer session will start between you and the client. So here you must be sure that the questions you are asking are relevant to the business problem. Did it give you more information of the business problem? Did it pave the way for new, in-depth and relevant questions? Is there any solution or feature set came into your mind while asking these questions? What is your common sense reaction on these questions and answers? Did it have similarity with the existing intelligent decision of the previous data scientist? This question answer session will narrow down your understanding of the business problem. It will pave the way for finalizing the business goal. You will document your understanding about business goal. In the next round, you will have again a final round of discussion with the client. This section can have various outputs such as approving the documented business goal or recommending few changes in that documented business goal. This was a just overview of the general problem solving skills category. Here the main point is analytical and curious mindset. However, such mindset depends on your depth of knowledge and business understanding. So if you want to be successful in data science, then explore the particular field or area where you want to work. Also, stay with us in this playlist because we are continuously uploading data science related lecture. And in the later stage, we will work on a business project where you can learn many things. So this is all for today, and in the next video, we will explore what core capabilities and tool skills you will need to become a successful data scientist. Thank you so much.